Hey guys, it's Pat's Brewery, and I was going to be doing a brew day video today, but well, I was just about to heat up the HLT and then start a series of cleaning in bits and pieces when this happened. On HLT PED's running. No issues. This one is to actually send the power. Shouldn't be making that sound. So what I'm going to be doing is actually instead investigating what's wrong, and if I get that done at any sort of reasonable time, I don't think I've got enough time for a proper brew day anyway today, well, depending on how long this takes, but I might, instead of doing a brew day, do a bit of a tidy up of the brewery and the garage, get myself into a better position to either do a brew day tomorrow or next week. We'll see. Okay, so I got the buzzing to stop. The issue was that my neutral bus bar, which was effectively just a chocolate block all linked up, when I increased the elements, I went over to a higher ampage chocolate block for my live side, but I thought, oh, do I need to do it on the neutral? Yes, I do. And so yeah, we had a bit of melts going on actually, so right there. So I actually bought a proper bus bar a little while ago, so I just fitted that, so I'll just give you a little look. Yeah, so there's the new bus bar in place. Turned it all on, and I know you shouldn't really turn things on while you've got the whole thing open, but right, main switch, oh that's it. Let's do main power, little switch, and when that works, when that comes on, come on. Give that a moment. I have to check that out, because maybe actually we've not resolved the problem. Right, problem sorted. Let's go one more time. Ta-da, no buzzing, light comes on. So I actually realised that the buzzing was just being generated actually from this. So technically I could have just had to sort out the actual connections there. But good practice with regards to changing over the buzz bar or the bus bar. Yeah, it has kind of put a bit of a dampener on my day, because I was planning on getting started really early, because I've got things to do this afternoon and this evening. But I guess it's just one of them things. So what I'll probably do, spend a bit of time tidying up around here, and then maybe I'll see if I can schedule in a brew day for another day. That'll probably be it for the video this week, guys, unless I do anything else that's worth noting. So just a brief update, and hope you guys all take it easy and like and subscribe.